Alrighty, man. Sharp Customs, you just got to see me do some airbrushing, and we are literally, we finished that up, and we were like, did a little prep on the jet boat, and we were out the door because we're trying to get this in before, 7 o'clock. Like, listen. Ping, you can hear a pin drop. Yes, I'm down here at the river and I'm having a beverage and I'm smoking a dart, and the water is just, look at it. Look at it. We were actually Google mapping around our area. We were going to try and go to a place where we had some rapids and stuff, because I'm hoping the jet boat, that's what we've been trying to do. We've been trying to get back out. I wanted to bring both, but I'm undecided on the ESC I want to get for the electric jet boat, because, you buy another cheap one, or do you blow the budget and just go for the gusto and buy a name brand that is gonna, hopefully get you what you want. I'm still totally undecided because I don't know much about that electric stuff. We're kind of on a bit of a time crunch here. We just actually had some canoers go by, and yeah, I wanted to do some rapid, like not rapids, but some rocks, some debris. I'm not worried about beating up on the jet boat, trust me. Got the new servo in it, got a new nozzle on it, and I'm hoping we can do some crazy donuts here. The tenters, they've moved on. We got the fishing pole in case we need to get it. Hopefully not. We're kind of all ready to go. I've got a little GPS unit on the jet boat, so we can track the speed, which is kind of cool. I say I put the paraphernalia down and we just friggin' get to it. How about that? I say we get her done. We get her gone. We get her going. Let's turn on this GPS unit. I'm still pretty new to it. I'm hoping I'm on the right settings. It's all kind of new to me. Hopefully this thing should just fire right up. Oh, we get the pop. Turn the choke off. Oh, good compression. We were looking for some of that. Notice I moved the fuel tank forward. This thing is running just, I think the fuel tank is probably just a little too forward. I want to check the, we might have sucked some, everything looks good. We'll check the speeds after. Let's fire it up and let's, oh, we got a little issue here. What the heck? I gotta grab my glasses. We lost the steering arm off the servo. What the heck? What the heck, man? We lost the steering arm off the top of the servo. Now I know I tightened this stuff down, man. That's, oh, I see the screw. I see the screw. I did bring a screwdriver. Hopefully we got some oh, look at that. We got some magnetics. We got some magnetics going on here. That thing was working awesome, man. That thing was doing, I love those, like, you know, when it, when it flips around like that. There we go. All right. Let's fire back up. Let's try that again, man. We're not all about the speed. I bought that little bicycle GPS unit just because I wanted to. Really. I can use it in everything. I can use it in the cars. You know, I can use it in the boats. I'm going to get rid of all this. I got some, like, shaving debris. There's not much water in here. We'll just empty it out. Let's fire it up. Let's fire it up and do it again. She's a little stuck on the trees there. I gotta break out the fishing pole. Let me take my damn glasses off. So we lost. This is kind of a replay. We lost the throttle. I still had a little bit of control, but we lost a little bit of the steering control. But it was working awesome. Let's see if I can fish this thing back. Nope. Oh, look at this shit. I got snagged. You believe that? I am snagged. I'm gonna probably have to go in the water. Yeah, oh. I got the lure. Let's see if I can just cast her straight in. There's so many sticks out there. Oh, I'm stuck again. Oh, this is crazy crap. Okay, I think I lost the lure. Nope. Still got it. Here we go. Here we go. No, 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 no. I think I need to try and just, that's why we bring a fishing pole. Oh, crap. Oh, well, we lucked out there. Here we go. Let's see if I can just lob it into the boat. Hopefully everything's... No, not even close. There we go. Another one. Oh. Right beside it. Got it over the sticks. I usually do pretty good fishing, you know that? This is, yeah, this is,
This is more like target practice.
This is more like, yeah, exactly. Ah, right beside it. And stuck again. Like, stuck. Snag. Oh, yeah, we're snagged. Oh, man, I don't want to have to walk into here.
That branch is attached to that big branch. Maybe you can just
This sucks.
maneuver that big branch and it'll come loose.
This sucks. This sucks. I don't know what this soot... Oh. Oh, this soot and mud. Oh. I'm just going to go for it. Yeah. Lots of sticks and debris. My lure. Got the boat. Yeah, you get to see it right. You get to see it right here. Let's see what's going on with this radio gear. There was not much. There's not much water in there. Oh, look at this! Look on the back. We broke the nozzle.
Oh.
Yeah, throttle seems to be working. It was acting up. I'm gonna probably swap that throttle servo out. Let's check this thing. It was working good. I really wanted to yeah, put some 3M tape. Let's see what we got here. I'm not sure how to do this. Should give us an average. There we go. You see that? So our average was 9.5. That doesn't really mean crap. But there's our overall. Look at that, man. We're at like 34.8 kilometers an hour. Now I realize that that's not fast. You know, that's not super fast, but you know, for a toy boat, roughly quarter scale, you know, if you quarter that up, look at everything's wet. Ah, that really destroys me that that nozzle broke. I'm thinking what I might do is so instead of doing a 3D print nozzle, I actually might machine one up in aluminum so that doesn't happen. But I like the way it was twisting around on the water. like, I think I've got the balance a lot closer, you know, with the fuel tank up at the front here like this. I've got that balance really balanced out great, and I think we're going to keep that like that. You know, there's not many places you can put the fuel tank, but there you go. I know it was a short run. Again, I'm constantly breaking stuff on this thing. I thought the servo, so my brand new 60 kg servo, I thought it got wet and it was, you know, messing up. But what I did realize, that throttle servo, that is an old servo. So I will swap that one out, you know, for a more waterproof one, because it was most certainly, yeah, I got no steering. You know, I was just thinking I'd fire it back up and throw it back in the water, but my steering is, yeah, my steering is totally done. But yeah, there you have it, man. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna switch the radio gear off, turn the radio off. But there you have it, man. A double shot. I think it was cruising along pretty freaking good. I love the way it porpoised. I don't know if you call it porpoise, but the way it was more balanced, and it just kind of did those spins, like, you know. Yeah, I didn't get to do my donuts again, you know. Started to, but it was having issues, man, with the throttle and the steering, and yeah, we kind of got it started, but yeah, couldn't create the vortex. But there you have it, man. Sharp Customs, double shot. I will resolve this stuff. This is what this stuff is all about, man. This stuff is all about resolving things, making things better, and you know, that's what keeps me going, doing this stuff, man. You know, I'm definitely going to make an aluminum nozzle for the back of this jet pump, because this thing has major potential. And yeah, the jet boats have always been my thing. I love gas boats, you know, prop boats. You know, they're fast, man. I could build one in a week. I could bring it out here and you'd be so impressed. It would just rip this water. But everybody else does that. Not many people play with this whole jet boat thing, you know. And yeah, there you have it, man. You know the routine. Beautiful night here in southern Ontario, and don't forget to comment. Love you all. Peace. I'm out till the next.